Today we will briefly introduce Rviz. Best viewed with docs. Docs address. Next is the installation of Rviz. If you have ROS fully installed, Rviz doesn't need to be installed. If it is not installed, you can input the corresponding version command to install. After the installation is complete, let's verify Rviz. First we need to start ROS. Open the terminal and input the command roscore. ROS is started. Let's open a new terminal and enter Rviz to start. Rviz started successfully. Next, let's briefly introduce the various areas of Rviz. The monitor is a device that draws something in a 3D world and may have some options available in the display list. On the top is a toolbar, which allows the user to use various function buttons to select tools with multiple functions. The middle part is the 3D view. It is a main screen where various data can be viewed in 3 dimensions. The background color, fixed frame, grid, etc. of the 3D view can be set in detail in the global options and grid items displayed on the left. The right side is the observation angle setting area where different observation angles can be set. Drag the mouse to observe different angles. Below is the display area, including system time and ROS time. Next, simply use Rviz. On the basis of the completion of the environment, and the company's code has been completely cloned. Input again. Open Rviz, and then you will obtain the following result. This is a successful result. Enter the ROS workspace and input the command cd-ws. The first time you need to input the command to configure the ROS environment. cd-ws and source/devil, setup.bash step omitted. Start our launch file. Input, roslaunch src/microbot_ros/microbot_280/launch/test.launch. If you want to know more information about Rviz, go to Official Documents.